Okay, we've got some different cars here in the big toy box today. We've got some supercars here. Looks like we've got the McLaren F1. These are mainline Hot Wheels. This car is extremely detailed for a mainline Hot Wheel. If you look at the back there, you can see it's got some nice detailing on the back. If you look at the front, it has some nice detailing on the front as well. See, it's got the 3 seats in there with the driver in the middle. The McLaren F1. There it is. That's looking pretty good. Next one we have is the McLaren P1. The McLaren P1 is also a really cool car that Hot Wheels has made a very decent model of here, basically. This is a nice die-cast model. It's got the roof on the front there. It's pretty clear. You can see inside. You can see the driving area there, the driver position and the passenger seat. It's got some details on the front. It's got some headlight tampo work there. It's got the little McLaren badge there on the nose. Again, for a mainline car, this is extremely well detailed. It's got the tail lights across the back and the exhaust. You can see that diffuser there cast into the plastic and the big wing on the back. It looks really nice. We've got the McLaren P1. The next car we've got from McLaren here is the McLaren Senna. This is a really cool car. This is a really special car. The Senna is a really awesome looking car. This is the first edition of this, I believe, in white. You've got the McLaren badge on the front there. Yeah, this is the first one because it doesn't have any detail on the headlights. It has a little bit of sculpting detail, but there's no tampo work or anything on there. I remember some people complaining about that before, that the detail wasn't very good on the headlights. But this car was actually pretty hard to find when it came out. It has some excellent detail on the back. It's got the diffuser running across the back with your tail lights there. A nice big wing cast in the die cast. I know some people like it to be plastic, but it looks really good in the die cast there as well. We see that big canopy there, all made out of the clear plastic that you can see inside the driving area there with the driver's seat and the passenger seat on this McLaren as well. It's really cool. And on to the last McLaren here. We've got the McLaren Speedtail. This is in a metallic blue. The paint on this is just really nice for a dollar car, $1.25 car now. The mainline cars anyways from Hot Wheels. We've got a little bit of detail there. We got that red strike on the back there of the canopy. The canopy is all clear. It's a very dark canopy, so it's not super clear, but you can see inside if you have a bright light on it, like we do here. Anyways, the front here has no real tampo detail or any work on the front other than the McLaren badge on the nose. On the tail, we do get some tampo work. We get the McLaren badge on the back, and we get the tail lights. Also, the underside of the car there, we get to see a little bit, like the diffuser type area there. It has the racing wheels on the back, and on the front, it has the aero disc wheels, which is correct for one of these cars to have 2 different types of wheels, as you can see in the artwork there. This was new for 2020 for Hot Wheels. This, I believe, is a 2019 McLaren Speedtail, and it is a beautiful car.